Wow. Okay. Just wow. What did you think of that?
I'm processing. I have to be honest, I have mixed feelings about it.
Mixed feelings? Really? I thought it was absolutely brilliant. I was on the edge of my seat the entire time.
Oh, I was definitely engaged, but I don't know if I'd say it was brilliant.
What didn't you like? The plot twist at the end was a complete shock. I did not see that coming at all.
See, that's part of my issue. I actually felt the twist was a little predictable.
Predictable? How?
I don't know, there were a few clues early on. Remember that scene in the library? The camera focused on that old photograph for just a second too long. I had a feeling it was important.
I guess I missed that. I was too caught up in the action. I thought the story was incredibly original.
The concept was original, I'll give you that. But the execution felt a bit messy in the middle. The pacing was a little slow for me.
I can see that. It did drag a little bit before the final act, but the ending made it all worth it for me.
I will agree with you on one thing, though. The acting was phenomenal.
Wasn't it? The lead actress, Jessica Vance, was just incredible. She was so convincing.
She was. The scene where she confronts her father, it gave me chills. Her performance was so powerful and emotional. She deserves an award for that role.
For sure. And the casting for the villain was perfect. That actor is always so good at playing creepy, unsettling characters.
He is. And the chemistry between the two main characters was so believable. You really felt their connection.
And what did you think of the way it looked? The cinematography was breathtaking.
Oh, 100%. It was a visually stunning film. Every shot was beautifully composed. And the soundtrack was perfect too. It really added to the suspenseful atmosphere.
It's definitely one of the best thrillers I've seen in years.
You know, I'm not always a huge fan of thrillers. They make me too anxious.
I know. So, what is your favorite genre then?
I love a good character-driven drama or a well-written romantic comedy. I'm more interested in the relationships between people than in car chases or explosions.
That makes sense. I enjoy those too, but for me, nothing beats a smart science fiction movie. I love films that explore big ideas and make you think about the future.
Like Inception or Blade Runner?
Exactly. Those are two of my favorites. Who are some of your favorite actors? The ones you'll watch in anything?
Meryl Streep, obviously. She's a legend. And Tom Hanks, he's just so likable in every role he plays.
Can't argue with those choices. I'm a big fan of Leonardo DiCaprio. His intensity is unmatched.
Oh, he is a fantastic actor. Okay, ultimate movie question. If you had to pick just one all-time favorite movie, what would it be?
Oh, that's impossible. It's like asking me to pick my favorite food. It changes all the time.
You have to choose just one.
Okay. If I absolutely have to choose, I think I'd say The Matrix. The first one. It completely blew my mind when I first saw it. The story, the action, the ideas, it changed everything.
That's a great choice. I can see why.
Your turn. What's your all-time favorite?
I think for me, it's Pride and Prejudice, the 2005 version with Keira Knightley.
The romantic drama fan speaks.
It's just a perfect film to me. The acting is superb, the scenery is beautiful, the music is gorgeous, and the story is timeless. I can watch it over and over again.
That's the sign of a true favorite. What's your comfort movie? You know, the one you put on when you're feeling sick or down.
That would probably be an animated movie like Finding Nemo. It's just so sweet and funny, it always makes me feel better. What about you?
My comfort movie is probably School of Rock with Jack Black. It's impossible to be in a bad mood while watching that film.
That's a great one.
Well, even though we had different opinions on the twist ending, I'm glad we watched this tonight.
Me too. Discussing it afterwards is half the fun of watching a movie.
It really is. So, what's on the list for our next movie night? It's my turn to pick.
Oh, that's right. Just please no horror movies. I won't be able to sleep for a week.
Deal. No horror movies. But I think I have the perfect classic comedy that you're going to love.
I can't wait.